Hello, dear friends. How are you all doing? In today's video, we have again used frequently used phrases. It's essential to know that effective English speaking lies in attentive listening and dedicated practice. Devote your time to listen such dialogues extensively. Let's kick off this learning journey. I can't believe they let go of their top researcher for relocating purposes.
Relocations can sometimes disrupt work arrangements unexpectedly.
I need to catch up on my assignments after being sick for a week.
Take your time and focus on recovering while gradually catching up.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new smart thermostat?
I'll guide you through the process of installing and programming it.
The event got cancelled due to a lack of sponsors.
Sponsorship is crucial for financing such events.
I'm thinking of taking up hiking to explore the local trails.
Hiking can be a great way to enjoy nature and get some exercise.
We need to catch up on the project deliverables to meet the client's expectations.
Let's ensure we're on track to deliver quality work.
I have to run by the grocery store to pick up some ingredients for dinner.
Make a shopping list to ensure you don't forget anything.
Let's hang out at the music festival this weekend and enjoy the live performances.
Music festivals are so much fun, with a lively atmosphere.
I can't believe they let go of their top analyst due to budget constraints.
Budget limitations can sometimes impact staffing decisions.
I need to catch up on my household chores after a busy week.
Take it step by step and tackle one task at a time.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new streaming service?
I'll assist you in signing up and navigating through the content.
The company had to call off the conference due to the pandemic.
Many events have been affected by the ongoing situation.
I'm thinking of taking up journaling to express my thoughts and emotions.
Journaling can be a therapeutic way to reflect and release stress.
We need to catch up on the project timeline to ensure a successful launch.
Let's review the schedule and make any necessary adjustments.
I have to run by the hardware store to buy supplies for the home project.
Check the list of items you need before heading there.
Let's hang out at the comedy show this weekend and have a good laugh.
Laughter is a great way to unwind and have a fun time.
I can't believe they let go of their most dedicated team member due to a disagreement.
Conflicts can sometimes lead to challenging decisions.
I'm thinking of taking up cooking to experiment with new recipes.
Cooking can be a creative and rewarding hobby.
We need to catch up on the project documentation to ensure everything is recorded.
Proper documentation helps prevent misunderstandings later.
I have to run by the electronics store to get a replacement charger.
Make sure to check if they have the right charger for your device.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new home gym equipment?
I'll guide you through assembling and using the equipment.
The event got cancelled due to unforeseen logistical challenges.
Event planning can be complex and unpredictable.
I need to catch up on the missed meetings from last week.
Review the meeting minutes to stay informed about the discussions.
Let's hang out at the rooftop bar this weekend and enjoy the view.
Rooftop bars often offer a unique and scenic experience.
I can't believe they let go of their top scientist for a research project abroad.
Research opportunities abroad can be career-enhancing.
I'm thinking of taking up pottery to learn a new craft.
Pottery can be a therapeutic and creative outlet.
We need to catch up on the project progress to provide updates to the stakeholders.
Communication with stakeholders is crucial for project transparency.
I have to run by the library to return these borrowed books.
Don't forget to check the due dates to avoid late fees.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new security alarm system?
I'll assist you in installing the sensors and configuring the alarms.
The company had to call off the workshop due to low enrollment.
Workshops require a minimum number of participants to be effective.
I need to catch up on my emails after being on vacation.
Sorting through emails might take a while, but it's necessary.
Let's hang out at the local cafe this weekend and catch up.
A cozy cafe is a perfect place for a chat.
I can't believe they let go of their top developer due to restructuring.
Restructuring often leads to shifts in team composition.
I'm thinking of taking up cycling to stay active and explore the outdoors.
Cycling is a great way to combine exercise and exploration.
We need to catch up on the project timeline to ensure timely completion.
Let's allocate resources efficiently to meet our goals.
I have to run by the post office to mail these packages before the deadline.
Make sure to check the shipping options and costs.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new email app on my phone?
I'll guide you through the process of adding your email accounts.
The event had to be called off due to a scheduling conflict with the venue.
Venue availability is a crucial factor in event planning.
I need to catch up on the sleep I lost during the busy work week.
Prioritize sleep to ensure you're well rested and focused.
Let's hang out at the park this weekend and enjoy a picnic.
Picnics are a wonderful way to relax outdoors.
I can't believe they let go of their top designer due to a merger.
Mergers often lead to changes in personnel and roles.
I'm thinking of taking up volunteering to give back to the community.
Volunteering is a rewarding way to make a positive impact.
We need to catch up on the project tasks to meet the project deadlines.
Let's work together to ensure we stay on schedule.
I have to run by the pharmacy to pick up my prescription medication.
Don't forget to check the dosage instructions.
Can you help me figure out how to set up the new fitness tracker?
I'll assist you in connecting it to your phone and setting it up.
The event got cancelled due to a sudden change in the speaker's availability.
Speaker availability can be unpredictable at times.
I need to catch up on my reading list to explore new books.
Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge and imagination.
Let's hang out at the local art studio and take a painting class.
Painting classes can be a fun and creative experience.
I can't believe they let go of their top engineer due to a family emergency.
Personal circumstances can sometimes lead to unexpected changes.
I'm thinking of taking up a language course to improve my communication skills.
Learning a new language can open up new opportunities.